Welcome to Oxford University. I am here to teach you today the expanded method for multiplication. This is a very difficult process of multiplication, but if you can do it, you look very intelligent to your fellow classmates. Let me teach you how to do this. Let's get this started. Back to class, students. As I mentioned before, today we're going to learn the form of expanded form. Why might you want to use this form, you may ask? Some of you students may want to impress some female friends. Some of you might want to show off to your classmates. Whatever the reason, students, does not matter, for I will show you how to do it, and you will be able to impress all of your friends, those that you have. Get your ink pens ready. Let's begin. We're going to start off with a 2-digit by a 1-digit number. These will help you know the process of how to do this. For I will be expecting greatness out of you later on, when these are to be done by yourselves. My first 2-digit by 1-digit number problem is going to be shown up on the board. Ink pens ready. 42 times the number 6. That is our first problem. Let me start off with the single-digit number, and as we all know, the single-digit number is 6. We will now multiply that by our other 2-digit number, which is 42. But we need to multiply that by expanding it apart. You may ask yourselves and get out the dictionary and say, what is the definition of expanded? Well, let me put a visual in your head for you. When you take a Tootsie Roll and you want to see how long it can get and you expand it out, pull it apart. That is what expanding means, to break apart. 6 times 42 broken apart is 6 times 40 plus 2. Yes, this might look familiar to the box method, and this is very similar to that. Yes, you are right. My young philosophers, mathematicians, now we have to multiply 6 times 40. Put it in a parenthesis. 6 times 40. And then we need to multiply the 6 times the 2, but we had to add addition sign in between. 6 times 2. We need the parentheses. My ink pen is getting a little dry. There we go. Those are the steps for the problem. As we all sure know, this next part is rather simple. Basic math fact, 6 times 4 is 24. With 1 0. Plus 6 times 2, which is 12. I learned that when I was 3 years old. We have to add those up together. 240 plus 12, just put it down here. 2, 5, 2. 42 times 6 is 252. Rather simple, students, was that not? I would have to agree. So let's man up a little bit and really show off what we can do. 2-digit by 2-digit number. Let me re-wet my ink pen. Here we go. new page of paper. 65 times 34. Make sure you save yourself enough room for this problem. 65 times 34. Breaking it apart again, students. Let's take it apart by this way. Let's take a look at 65 first. 65 expanded is 60 plus 5, is it not? Shake your heads. So I will do 60 times broken apart is 34, 30 plus 4. This is 30 plus 4, and this is 60 plus 5. So 60 times 30, parenthesis, plus 60 times 4. Parenthesis. Now that's a car of the 60, but we have the 5 left over. We will do the similar process that we just attained by doing the 60. We will now do 5 times 30 and 5 times 4. Make sure to leave yourself enough room because this gets pretty long. Hence, expanded method. Plus 5 times 30. Whoops, I just spit on my paper. Getting so excited about this, as you can tell, students. 5 times 30 plus 5 times 4. As you can tell, I've done this before and left myself just enough room. Some of you might have to go onto another paper. So we have 65 broken apart by 60 plus 5, which we did, and 34 is broken apart by 30 plus 4. 60 is a number we would like to focus on first, which we did 60 times this 30, which is right here, and then 60 times 4, which is right here. That left us with the 5 left over, which is right here, which he needed to multiply by the same numbers. 5 times 30, which is right here, and 5 times 4, which is right here. Now comes the easiest part. The hardest part is setting the problem up. Now let me re-wet my ink pen and work on the multiplication. All right. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 zeros. Plus 6 times 4 is 24. With 1 0. 5 times 3 plus 5 times 3 is 15. With 1 0. Plus 5 times 4. I learned that when I was 2. And that is 20. Now we just have to line them up appropriately. And then add them up together. I'm going to line them up under here. Simply add them up. I could do this in my sleep. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2. That is a correct answer, but I will cringe if you write these down. I will take your feather and I will break it in half. For why, you may ask? You forgot the comma. 2,210 is your answer. If you'd like to figure out how to do this on your own and you are confused, I would suggest pausing this video and rewatching it again. Alright, there you have it, 2-digit by 2-digit. Very simple way that you can impress your classmates. At the next dinner party you go to, I would suggest bringing this up to your guests and showing them what you are capable of doing. Enjoy and remember, 64 problems of math before bed makes a mathematician very happy. Good luck, classmates.